Hello guys, I'm sitting here with Mrs. Dawn Hall, and we just passed the final inspection for her beautiful junior ADU in Murrieta. Can you tell us a little bit about your experiences at Ataman Studio?
My name is Dawn Hall, and I live here in Murrieta, California. And I have a 5-bedroom home here, and my children grew up here, and now they're gone. And so I converted a single-car garage, which was a 3-car garage, into a junior ADU. And above that single-car garage was my daughter's bedroom. And we put in a staircase up to that bedroom and closed up the entryway from the house into that room and made that into a shower so that we have a private entrance for my renters.
How long did it take the whole process from the first meeting with our manager until you have the drawings approved?
It's been over a year. And it took about, I want to say about 8 months for it to be completed after the permit was submitted or approved. And so now we're in the final stage, and I received my final yesterday, and now I'm in the process of doing a little decorating inside, and then I will be renting it out the 1st of July.
And how much do you think you can rent it out?
I'm hoping that I can rent it out for about $3,000 a month. I won't be renting it out for long term. I'm going to be doing midterm rentals because in the city of Murrieta, they only allow you to rent for 30 days or more. You can't rent less than 30 days. So therefore, I decided that I'm going to be renting it to more than likely the nursing agency. Yeah. Hopefully I'll be successful.
Just to clarify, so the total square footage of junior ADUs was around about 400 square feet?
To build it or?
Oh, the square footage of the ADU.
Oh, yes. The square footage is 400 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom with a single bath, and it has a kitchen area and a sitting area downstairs.
The question that everyone is asking us, how much costed everything in total from start to finish to build this junior ADU?
Yeah. By the time I was finished, it cost me about $125,000.
$125,000. Okay. And are you happy with the Ataman Studio in general, with the design, with drawings?
Yeah, I'm happy with the design. I would have liked a little bit more room upstairs in the bedroom, but I think for the reasons that I'm going to be renting it, I think it's sufficient enough. And yeah, I'm happy with the design. I'm really happy with the design.
Okay, we're happy that we finally finished this junior ADU. And thank you very much. It was a nice experience meeting you. And
yeah,
thank you.
You too. Thank you.